And look at that. And okay, hold on. I'm going. It's excited too. I got this. This is cool. This is kind of cool. Alright. This is the Harry Potter Lego. So yeah. I'm ready to unbox this stuff. You can see it. Okay, that's how me show everybody. Okay. Alright. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1, go! Well, I guess that's it. Let's. Okay, hold on. I'm going. Alright. Let's see. Okay, I didn't see a body. They need a body. Found one. Alright guys, it's on my desk. Okay. There it is. Okay. Alright guys, we're close.
A few minutes later.
Oh, there it is! He was in number. He was in a small bag. Wait. How am I supposed to find that? Oh, finally! I got the Harry Potter's one. Okay, they both finally got one. You can see that. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna make them stand. Alright, so yeah, this is going to be
Three days later. 3 weeks later. Many months later. 6.5 hours later. 1 eternity later. 2,000 years later. 3:28 a.m.
Yes! Finally, we finished our card. Look at that. Let's go. Alright, let's go! There's 2 seats.
Tomorrow. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4.
Let's go! We did it! Woo! We did it, baby! Alright. Alright. We're going to move the camera closer. Let's go! We're going to see what they look like. Okay. Start with the Harry Potter. Potter. He has a wand and an apple. And yeah. If you move his back to be happy. And that's our first figure. And we have this girl, which I forgot his name. It could be Luna. So cool. So yeah. And we have this baby Fresher, which is a baby horse, and he does nothing. Nothing at all. And then the last one, we got this. Alright. Let's start with the car.
The carriage.
The carriage. So yeah, this carriage comes with this, which is, I think it was a movie tape. I think that's what it is.
Can you show it to me one more time?
So yeah, this.
Just a little bit up. Okay, stop.
Alright. So I think this is a movie tape. A newspaper. Okay, I think it was a newspaper. I thought it was a movie tape, but no. And I have these wheels that you can move when the thing opens. That's cool. That's kind of cool. And okay, then you can put. Yeah, and also you can just and oh yeah, and also we're going to. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Another fresher. Another fresher, but it's a big fresher. I think it was a Fresher's mom or Fresher's dad. It looks like a dad. I don't know. Put your comments down below. Because this Fresher do have a baby. So I think this is a Fresher mom and or Fresher's dad. The thing that is, you can move his wings, which is kind of cool. So yeah, you can like wee, wee, wee. You can fly everywhere and stuff. So yeah. And also, there's a thing is, you can see this. You can use this. And look at that. And okay, hold on, I'm going. Let's decide to. So this is a Lego set Harry Potter figure. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.